Hey, I'm Preston with Xantrex, and today we're doing an upfit on a Mercedes Sprinter van. We're going to be using a full Xantrex system, 2 lithium-ion batteries, a solar panel, solar charge controller, and our Xantrex inverter. I'm going to be able to walk you guys through each install and how to get it done on your own Sprinter van. All right, let's get started. We're installing a lot of our products in this Sprinter van. First and foremost, we're doing our XC2000. And this is the workhorse. This is everything that we're going to need to power all the loads in the coach. We're also going to be doing a 30 amp solar controller, and we're doing a peel and stick solar panel on the top of this. They're super simple, super easy to install, and offer great performance. Next, we are actually going to be doing a comm box. The comm box allows our inverter to communicate through RVC to each individual component. Those of you who have a Xantrex inverter that isn't RVC capable, you're going to be able to buy this upgrade and you'll be able to make your inverter communicate via RVC and talk to the other components in your coach. And last but not least, we're also going to be doing our Xantrex gateway. That's going to allow another layer of communication. And on top of that, we'll have a handy app that you can get into, and you'll be able to see the whole system on your phone. You'll be able to see your batteries, your inverter and what it's doing, how much amperage and voltage you're getting through your solar charge controller. All kinds of benefits of being able to see what the system is doing. We're doing a pair of these lithium-ion batteries. We're going to be replacing some eGen batteries. Not only are we going to save some weight, but we're going to have longer run times, and they're lighter weight, and overall a very great battery, great system to power all these house loads that you might have. Let's get started. First, we're going to remove the front seats from the vehicle. When removing the front seats from the vehicle, be sure to take extra care and precaution when removing the connectors underneath the seat. This will prevent any damage or loose wires caused by lifting the seat up too quickly or pulling any connectors out. Once the seats are removed, we'll gain access to the battery compartment. Next up, we're going to remove the old components and inverter. Be sure to note where cable location and connections are. When installing the Xantrex inverter, be sure there's ample room for ventilation and cable routing. Once the inverter is installed, be sure to route cables and wiring in an orderly fashion, using zip ties to keep the wires from chafing or rubbing against components that may be sharp and cause an open in a circuit or a short circuit. Doing so will keep the system reliable and functioning for years to come. Once you have your components installed, be sure to route the wires and cables correctly and neatly using zip ties to secure them so they don't vibrate or cause unwanted wear. One upgrade we're doing on this B van is we're changing from eGen batteries to our lithium-ion batteries. We're doing similar amp hour capacities, so we're 250 amp hour capacity. Some of the benefits are, we're saving weight. Lithium-ion batteries are much lighter. The other thing is, with our 250 amp hour capacity, we will actually be able to use more of that amp hours because of the depth of discharge we can achieve on lithium ions. All right, so we just got our 330 watt Xantrex Flex panel up on the roof of this B van. One thing that's really cool is In partial shade, we're getting 77 watts of solar, and compared to the old panel, in full sun, we're only getting about 30 watts. So we've doubled the amount of wattage we're getting. And one thing that's gonna be nice is that's always gonna keep our loads running and these lithium batteries topped off. Now that we have the system installed, we're just adding the Xantrex gateway. This will allow us to view the system through a mobile app. Okay, the upfit's done and our van has more power, more solar, and the same amount of energy storage with fewer batteries due to the lithium battery technology. We're ready to tackle any rugged terrain and wilderness adventures.